The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night and ready for a great day. Markets moving down here as we speak. Let's see how we were doing overnight, shall we? Whoa. There we go. So we're moving up, now pulling back. Yesterday afternoon, NVIDIA earnings sent the market absolutely wild. Huge moves up. 157-point candle in that last hour of the day. Continued to move up until Europe, and then we started selling off just a tad. Our high, 15,418. low of the day down at 294. It's about 127 points of range. ES actually dipped lower than its open. 44.63 up to 44.85, so about 22 points in range. Same, not the same dramatic moves on the Dow as on the ES and NQ. Here's the Nvidia chart for those that didn't see it. This is where earnings were announced, and this is amazing to see on a $500 stock a $40 move. That is like amazing. Anywho, good morning, Crypticon. Copper, about 100 ticks of range. Gold, new low a day as we speak, and about 8 points of range. How you doing this morning, Crypt? And how are you, Mr. G? Good to see you. I haven't seen you much this week. How are you doing? And of course, Antonio. Not forgetting you either. We have about a point range on the Ultra Bond. Crude oil dipped all the way down to 78.22. Yesterday it dipped all the way down to 77.64. Got about a point in range there. Natural gas falling too. And Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a little bit of a run yesterday. Sitting about 26.5. And big move down there as I was speaking. Down to 354. Let me start my music. There we go. And back up. Let me check that link that Mr. Crypt sent. See what the heck it is. Advanced slide demand zone order block indicator and offshore automated trading system. $300. Well, tell us how it ends up working out. Crypt. Continuing down. That was a purple candle there as we were coming live. Didn't take it, obviously, but so we'll see. You can see here, this is the one I wish I had taken, but I think, well, I was barely awake at that point yet. See that purple candle coming back out of the bands, led down. That you see similar back here. It wasn't a purple candle. This red candle is what led to this one. Red candles that come back out of the bands are often big moves. Nice script. So as you see, Nightbot just posted. I announced yesterday that next Friday is our 2-year streaming anniversary, our streamiversary. And Blue Sky has been nice enough to let me give away a 25K Blue Sky evaluation account. The link there is posted by Nightbot. Go ahead and sign up for that. Winner will be announced live on stream on September 1st. Crypticon, you've been surviving okay in this heat? Okay. I hate this. Where the heck does it have me logged in at now? There we go. Try to bounce a bit now. Hey, John. Good morning. I did not. I didn't take any trades yet. I wasn't looking. Beautiful move down though. Let's see. Based on the RTI, my entry would have been well, right there. So I could have, yeah, that was nice. I could have got 3 points off of that, and I was kind of awake then. I would love to get the strategy automated where it just takes breaks of the 80 and 21s. I take it you got that trade, John? You took that sell? Oh, and John, dude, have you heard about Otani? Excellent, John. Excellent. Blown UCL is going to need a second Tommy John surgery. He had to leave the game yesterday. They thought it was his arm fatigue. They did the MRI. Blown UCL. That is going to take probably $100 million off of that free agent contract because it's the second one now. Yeah, it's a real, and I mean beyond that, it's just a shame for baseball because, and 48 hours after coming off the injured list, Mike Trout's going back on. I swear the Angels are cursed, which is kind of weird to say, cursed Angels. Well, I mean, and thing is, back in Ruth's days, they probably 90 miles an hour was rare. Now everybody's throwing, Tani sometimes hit 100, but it was always in the upper 80s. But even Babe Ruth admitted that he probably couldn't have continued doing pitching and hitting. I mean, he quit pitching. Let's see. The last time he was a regular starter, it's pretty much 1919. So let's see. So he quit pitching at age 24, pretty much, except for an occasional game here and there. No, 26. Sorry, not 24. 26. No, 24. Early morning math. So yeah, I mean, it's just I think I mean you gotta wonder if Otani's just gonna hit now. I mean, it's a shame, but things. I mean, yes, there's been pitchers that have come back from this two, a second Tommy John surgery. There's been one that's come back from three, but it's a less of a sure thing after a second one. Yeah, definitely terrible because he was coming to Philly. The Angels were coming to Philly next week, and people were trying to figure out which game he might pitch so they could get tickets. Still, market's still moving down here. Tried to pop up with that blue candle, didn't sustain. Players overall just get injured more than back in the day, it seems like. Back in the day, it seems like everyone, in the 80s, everyone played 150 games or more. Now it seems like almost no one plays a full season without going on the IL. Oh, I agree, absolutely. Yep, back down to 344 below that move. So still falling here. Oh, news this morning. We have news, of course, in 15 minutes. We have jobless claims, plus what else? Let's see here. Oh, we have a we have a Fed speaker speaking right now. Could be this reason this is moving down. Reacceleration could put upward pressure on inflation. Economic pickup could stem disinflation delay the Fed plan. At 8:30, U.S. jobless claims, U.S. durable goods report. And Chicago National Activity Index. 10 o'clock, we have another Fed speaker. 10:30, natural gas. 11 o'clock, Kansas City Fed manufacturing report. 11:15, another Fed speaker. Anyone that's trading Asia, Tokyo CPI is tonight. Then tomorrow, of course, we have Jackson Hole Symposium, Fed Powell speaking. Excellent, John. That's a wonderful morning. Uh, Antonio, they have him listed at 10:05 Eastern for Jerome Powell tomorrow. But if I remember last year, hey, don't quote me on this because I can barely remember yesterday. But if I remember last year, the text of his speech was actually released early before he actually started speaking. So the the actual news could hit earlier if it's released early. Yeah, some yeah, uh, jobless claims and all that at 8:30. So on the way down here, we got purple candles. They would have worked, obviously. Whoop, whoop. But it's a 1-to-1. Uh, then that yesterday was a red day, slightly. Give me 1 second. I'll give you a total from yesterday. Oh, it was like it logged me out. I was like, wait, what the heck? There we go. I was down 68 bucks yesterday. So sitting at 56.35, so we need about $2,565 to pass. Hey JC, how are you doing this morning? And we still have, where's my Tradovate? Oh, wow, everything logged me out. Glad I didn't try and take a trade. I didn't realize I was logged out on Tradovate. That would have been very inconvenient. I mean, theoretically, I could take it off a trading view, but I don't like doing that. So anyway, we still have $1,646 in drawdown on the Blue Sky account. So still healthy there. Ultra Bond just opened. Let's see what it's doing. Seems like it's still coming down. New low a day. Might be trying to bounce there. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. We'll see whether the numbers, I mean, we kind of expected a fall, at least somewhat, giving back some of that NVIDIA. I didn't move up from NVIDIA yesterday afternoon. Looks like ES is giving back just about half of that candle. NQ, not only the tip. So let's see. Shooting for 1.2 on that. If I was in that trade, it's just about there. Oh, excuse me. Awesome, John. Sounds like it's promising. Do you have it just running on one asset or multiple assets, or how do you have it set up? Oh, wow. Okay. Definitely keep us updated on that. Kevin? And Q trying to pop back up here. Blue candle, and technically, yeah, this is a blue candle that would be in my wheelhouse to take, but I haven't been trusting taking these reversals, so I'm just kind of going to let it sit, especially since we're only 2 minutes till news. How you doing today, Kevin? My dear folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, or you expect to, I'd appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. The YouTube algorithm likes to have its ego stroked. I'm doing good, thanks. Did pop up there by like 6 points. News in less than 1 minute. Start spreading the news. 15 seconds. Ooh, big purple candle. Big move down. Wow. Bounces off the bands. Oof, quick spike back up. So we shot down 21 points. Bounced. It's all wonky. Let's check the numbers. U.S. initial jobless claims 230K. They expected 240K, so that was a beat. U.S. durable goods negative 5.2. They expected negative 4. That was a miss. Chicago National Activity Index positive 0.12. They expected negative 0.22. So a quick initial reaction. Now that wick is about the size of the candle body. And purple's going away. Looks like it's about ready to turn green. Let's see what everything else is doing. Gold continues to fall. I'm sure that makes John happy. Ultra Bond made a new daily low, also bouncing. Crude oil didn't care. Usually doesn't. And copper, not really a reaction there either. Bitcoin popping back up a little, but I don't think that's because of the economic news. Nvidia is still hanging above 500 over there. Now we're just kind of hanging here. So not a huge news. And by the way, we would have got the 1.2 on that trade, taking that right at the start of the stream, but I was still getting set up. Just kind of hanging. Check our 5-minute chart. Ooh, copper, big pullback there. And look at gold continuing to fall for John. Do you have like an ultimate target, John, or are you just watching it and taking a feel of when to get out? Oh wow, that's a long way away yet. Nice, Antonio, 293. About 30 points away from there. Russell sending a short signal as well. Good morning, Ace. Seth, as in like your old room? Not your room, but where you used to be? Speculator Seth? Oh, okay. I was confused. Hello, Seth. How you doing? Great job, John. If Seth is there on vacation with you, I hope they are having a great time. Ace. We're just hanging around 15, 333, ES at 44.65. I guess Ace has a family member named Seth, RJ. And I said hello. Hello. Hello again. How's it going, RJ? Next, like we're trying to pop back up here. Gold, yep, still running downward. Big old purple candle there on the 15. What does the 5 look like? It's crude oil, so can't see there. There we go. Copper running down too. Look at that nice move. Metals are depressed. Nothing worse than a depressed metal. Platinum dying as well. Crude oil dumping here. Shouldn't dump crude oil. That's an environmental catastrophe. Remember, folks, enter the win. 25K evaluation from Blue Sky. Absolutely free. Link there posted by Nightbot. Winner will be announced on my 2-year streaming anniversary on Friday, September 1st. There's a couple of entries there that can be actually be done once a day. So you can get some extra entries on the contest or raffle or whatever you want to call it. My cat saying good morning. Nothing exciting so far. Even the news was kind of a nothing burger without cheese. The Ultra Bond chart and the gold chart look almost identical. It's interesting. Cat's begging for attention. Yep, a little bit of a turn here. Purple candle. Better than Purple Rain. Actually, I like that album. Should listen to that album sometime. It's been a long time. Anywho, Dow sitting at 34,462. ES 44.65. We are at 45 minutes till the bell. I hear the train coming. And we're back up almost to the 20. So it was a nice bounce there. ES up, Dow up, gold. Gold's bouncing. There's the bounce that John was waiting for. Great, great trade, John. Yep, pulling back. Technically, this is in my wheelhouse. Let's see here. Wait, hit that 20 EMA on the 5. Sitting at 353. Going long, putting our stop below this candle here. And our target's right up there at the 100 EMA. 5 micros. Nope, it's rejecting off that 20 on the 5. Big rejection, we're out. 8-point loss. Probably shouldn't have got out. Not my play to get out there. Not but and watch it come back up. If it does, I'm gonna be frustrated. It only went 3 more ticks down from where I got out. Of course. Pushing back down. Okay, so getting out was the right idea. So it looks like we're gonna have a second red day. I wonder where IMAD's been this week. Haven't seen IMAD. Still no Sid Chase. I don't know where he's at. Oh, retreating up. 7 minutes till the bell. Not to the bell. Wow, to the top of the hour. 6 minutes till the top of the hour. Bell's still 30 minutes away. Ultra bond all choppy. Gold is kind of sitting there trying to bounce. Crude oil opens up in about 5 minutes. Natural gas not having a fun day. So the bounce off that band, I should have re-entered. Yeah, it's only gone 7 points. Could have got quick 7. How's everybody else doing so far? I've taken a trade or two on it here and there over the over the years, but not something I normally trade. It used to be wild, John. Used to be very wild. Look at this move down to the 200 EMA on the 5. It used to be absolutely crazy. If you look at the natural gas chart from, let's go to a daily chart. You can see I used to at least chart it out regularly. Back here when it was up to in the tens and nines, it would move 400, 600 ticks a day some days. Now it is a lot more tame that it's down, it's near its all-time lows. But back here, it was crazy. It would just whip around by dozens of ticks. Yeah. And you can see here, now, you know, yesterday's candle moved a total of, down 63 ticks. Back here, this candle was 790 ticks, followed by 560 ticks. So yeah, it was wild. Let me put it this way. It was more volatile than NQ. So I used to mostly stay away from it. It would be a decent asset to trade now. Really, if you look at the chart now, you know, it gives good signals. You know, I do spend some time looking at it and marking it off, like here, that big blue candle yesterday. Would have been a nice move up, and this would have been a nice move back down. Real big bounce. Yeah, let me see if I can. Give me a second here, John. Let's see. NG. Let me look here. NGU to 2023. Let's try NGU 2022. NGU 2022. So let's see. Yeah, look at here. This is last year at this same time. Look at this candle here, John. That's a $3,230 candle. That's a 5-minute, 15-minute candle, and it was followed up by another $1,760 candle. It 323 ticks, 176 ticks, and you saw these types of moves every day. You know, this move here from this cant low up to this high was like 750 ticks, so I've been $7,500 with futures. I'm not sure how it works with Forex. And it was making these types of moves every day. I mean, look at this volatility. You know, big move up, and then this crash down from 9,456 all the way down to 890. That's a $5,000 crash. So yeah, NG used to be a very, very volatile, very huge moves, scary moves if you were in the wrong way type of asset. Yeah, there's another $1,500 candle. If you were on the right side of it, it would have been wonderful. If you're on the wrong side of it, not so much. You know, I don't know exactly what happened. I don't know if you remember, if people remember someone that used to be in here, went by the name of Babyfish. He's a professional trader on Wall Street, and he specialized in energies, and he expected natural gas to absolutely blow up. I guess I shouldn't use that expression. Last winter, like just go to like all-time highs, and it just died. And it's been dead now for like 6, 9 months. It just never. It just, you know, it's just odd. You know, he trades millions upon millions of energy stuff, and I mean, he told me, you know, that he was expecting it to go. At that point, it was hanging around 9 or 10, whereas right now it's at 2.4, and he was thinking it was going to go like 15, and it just never happened, and it just kind of died. You can see here back on the daily chart. By the way, we're at the top of the hour. Yeah, you can see here, this is the daily chart. You can see the fall from last year at this time all the way down. It just collapsed. We're still choppy here in the indices. That's not a bad gig though, Ace, if you can get it. Yeah, back then, natural gas was scary to trade because of the way it was volatile. It'd be like trying to trade NQ at 3x speed. We're popping back up. Popping fresh dough. What a speaking of energies. Crude dying here. It's open. Back down to its daily low. Can't. It has carbs. Yeah, I was gonna say steak pancakes would be something definitely different. 25 minutes till the bell. Get your order in for Ace's Pancakes. Quick move up there. I took a quick trade on the earn the trade. I grabbed 4.5 points, so a $90 trade there. Got out when I seen it hitting that band. All right, Antonio, I'm sure you'll get it back. Thank you, John. I wasn't sure about the trade because of that band sitting there, and also if you look at the 5, it's sitting right under that 20 EMA, and it doesn't look like it wants to break it too easily, so I just did a quick scalp. I take trades that I'm less sure about on the earn the trade account versus the blue sky account. Remember, next Friday, 2-year streaming anniversary. It's also non-farm payrolls. September 1st. Might actually get to see my face again. Not that that's all that great of a thing. Enter to win. A free 25K eval from Blue Sky. Link's been posted by Nightbot multiple times today. Wow, someone took a $750,000 payout from Apex Trader Funding. Really? I didn't know that. Nope, Robin is not in the top 10. They had the top 10 posted as well on their Twitter. No, I'm not going to wear an anniversary hat. Pull back to back to 344 again. Seems like we've been hanging here a lot. There. Will we go? Where will we go when the bell rings? And how many angels will get their wings? Blue candle. Sorry. But we're months from Christmas Eve. $15 till the bell. And keeps trying to rise back up here. But getting beaten back down some. Took a trade again on earn a trade. See the chart there. Looking for 62 here. See if we can get it. $62 is the 100 EMA. Pulling back toward my entry. My entry is 49.5. 3-minute candle closes in 10 seconds. Rubbing against those bands. There it goes. Put the target there right below the 100 EMA. Struggling at 57. Seeing ES and Dow with the red candle there. We're going to take this off the table there because I'm seeing red on the other indices. Ended up being a 6-point trade, so we're scalping here. 6 points, 4 points. That equals 10 points. We'll see if it would have got up to that 62 or not. Once I started seeing red on the others, it kind of got a little bit antsy. Uh, the other indices are going back to green. Oh, big whip down. Really glad I got out. Wow. If I had stayed in, I'll be back in the red. Back in the red again. Folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. The big news, Apex doesn't seem to be running anything more than a 50% sale from now till the end of the month. So that means MightyOx is the best game in town. Their intraday and end of day drawdown accounts are on sale. 25K just 42 bucks. 50K $48, $64 for the 100K. Again, end of day drawdown accounts for just 48 bucks. Grab them while they're hot. Use code MOT25, MOT50, or MOT100 with the link posted by Nightbot or in the video description below. Get funded. Invest in yourself. So let's see if there was some sort of news headline that bopped that down like that. Uh, BRICS nations should strengthen cooperation on cross-border payments. I don't think that would have done it. And there's a bounce. Ended up being a 16-point candle, and this was kind of a reversal candle. I talk about taking any red candle that kind of hits those bands, that band, and look at that. You can see here, green candles hit the band, nice pop back up. Unless you're in a strong downtrend, this one obviously didn't work, but could have been a nice gain. So we're heading into the bell. We're down in blue sky. We're up on earn a trade. Wish I would have taken those earn a trade trades on blue sky, but it is what it is. Ooh, excuse me. I apologize if that came through the mic. Usually, if I'm going to burp, I quickly mute. I quickly turn into a mutant. Mute. Tries to bounce back up, so you can see theoretically it's making higher lows. There, there, there. We are 3 minutes till the bell. Hey, Nicholas. Welcome. Um, right now they have the summer sale, 40% off. Any of their regular accounts, that doesn't include their static growth account. And then there's a contest running through me here for a free to possibly win a free 25K account. But hold on, let me get you the link and the code. There you go, Nicholas. Big move back down here. So up, down, down. You're welcome. How you been doing, Nicholas? Cool. Cool, cool. Are we ready for the bell? 45 seconds. See where we go from here. We're still kind of correcting a little bit from that huge candle off of the NVIDIA earnings yesterday. See where we go. Ding, 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 ding. Dow takes off. 32 points up. ES up. NQ down. NQ down by just 5 points. Wow, look at the Dow. 75 points. ES up 2. Oh, big crash there on NQ. Down 10 points now. Not that big of a crash. There. Continues down. Wow. 21 points. ES, just about a doji right now. Dow pulling back after that huge move up. 24 points now down on NQ. So Dow and NQ going opposite directions. Dow is pretty much at its low a day before the start of this hourly candle. It has a ways to go before it gets up to its high a day. ES just put in a new low a day, and Q just put in a new low a day. 40 points down. So this is people getting out after, this is people taking profit after that huge NVIDIA candle. Well below that Bollinger. It'll be interesting to see if we bounce here. So we're down 50 points, 55 points. Wowzers. Down to 281. There's that number you were looking for, Antonio, I believe. Still falling down to 277. On this opening 5-minute candle, we're now down 62 points. Down to 270. Minute to go on this opening 5-minute candle. Looks like it's trying to bounce here a bit though. Hanging around 272. ES is down 5.5 on this opening 5-minute candle. Dow up 41. Dow didn't have the same reaction to NVIDIA because, well, NVIDIA is not on the Dow, so that makes sense. So it's having a different response here as people sell off their gains from that huge NVIDIA movement yesterday afternoon. Still falling. 73, 75 points now in this opening 5-minute candle, which closes in 10 seconds. Finishes down 82 points. Still falling. Still falling down to 245. Wow. Big move back down. Continuing down. See, gold not really doing much. Ultra bond popping up a little bit. Oh wow, look at crude dumping. Crude's back down to yesterday's lows. Let's see if it double bottoms. Broke through yesterday's lows for now. Copper's that low day. Now we're bouncing on NQ. Yeah, Dow's running nicely up to 34,519. I think I said its high day was like 620. Yes, in the opening 5-minute candle is down 7 points, continuing to fall here. Since the open, the NQ is down about 100 points. ES since the open is down about 11. Oh, now NQ 252. No, I'm sorry, 233. It's an absolute huge valley of lava there on the RTI. So NQ's giving back about 3/4 of that NVIDIA candle now. Same for ES. Meanwhile, the Dow was like, I didn't get in that NVIDIA thing. I didn't care. So I'm just going to go up. What's NVIDIA? Oh, that's probably why. Look at NVIDIA selling off as well. NVIDIA is back under 500. It hit a high of 520 yesterday, so it's dropped by about $25 a share. Absolute crazy sell-off here. Russell also sold off, and I don't know why. NVIDIA is definitely not part of the Russell. I don't think. I didn't look to see if NVIDIA had a. Didn't really get affected by NVIDIA yesterday. Guess the Russell's just selling off in sympathy. Crude still coming down. Wow, are we going to break back under 200? Now, yesterday's lows on NQ is all the way down to at 14,959. That would be quite the crash. We're down 123 points on this hourly candle. A new low day, 212. ES down to 44.51. Bounced about 3 points so far. NQ back up to 225. Still trying to fall. Let's see here. That NVIDIA candle started at 15,192. We just broke 200. No, we didn't. I'm sorry. Apologize. Down to 203. It's close to breaking 200. Yeah, I wish I was in this short, but I can't trust being in this short now. It's already down as far as it is. We have a Fed speaker coming up at the top of the hour. Nice, John. Yeah, YM. Everyone's taking their money out of NQ and ES and buying into YM. Oops, Ace just sent a picture. Oops. Oh, well, that's beautiful, Ace. We interrupt this market sell-off for a picture from Ace. Oops, wrong window. There we go. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm not all about you at all. I like sharing the pictures you send, and it's not like there's any trades to be had right now as the market just continues to die. That is just looks like a tropical paradise. Dow is just doing awesomely here. And we're seeing a little bounce here on the NQ. And the ES. Getting beaten back down, kinda. Back to a red candle. So it's just slightly green. Wow. Just broke 200 on NQ down to 198. ES at 44.53. So we need to put this in our memory banks. Next time there's a huge move on, it's late in the day off an earnings report, be prepared for a sell-off. Yeah, if I jumped in here at the open, we could be up over 140 points. This would have passed any and all my evals. Well, actually, no, I lie. Because they all have I would be able to hit consistency rule on every one of my evals. Remember, Jerome Powell talking tomorrow, so expect a rocky time. So how much longer are you on vacation, Ace? When do you come back? And now we're bouncing again. Bounce again, like we did last summer. Short-lived bounce. Ultra Bond. Nice rise up. Haven't heard much from JC today. Gold bouncing up. Crude bounced basically a double bottom with yesterday. Like buyers stepped in right around where I said that Nvidia candle started at 192, got down to 189. There's the move up. Yeah, great. Yeah, beautiful move on the Dow there. Yep. That was a mistake. Looked like we wanted to continue moving up a little on this bounce. Just think he decided to not want to. And that's fine. So second straight red day. That just a bad decision on that one. But that's okay. I did do it off that blue candle on the 5, and technically I should have done it with less micros and be able to put my stop all the way down to 185. But unfortunately I did it with 5 micros, and I'm not gonna do the huge stop. Oh, nothing to be sorry about. Yeah, Dow is running. ES is running. I took a successful trade on the ES on earn to trade. ES back up to its 20. NQ not following suit yet, but it's trying. There we go. I'm back to my entry point. Look at that. Come on, give me something. Give it to me, baby. Oh, and right back down. Use my entry point as a resistance level. ES. ES is really blossoming. Whatever I'm trying to say. I got out early there. I took just 2 points on the ES there. On the earn the trade account. There we go. See, I gave up on this trade too early. I mean, I didn't give up on it. I didn't exit it. But, I mean, I was there saying it's going to be a loss. And now we're in profit. Come on, baby. Looking for 15 points. Very volatile. It's giving me 8 points so far. 9. Hey, Glitch, how you doing? Dang. Back to my entry. Got up to 231. My target's at 235. Just trying again. I'm doing all right. Or I was. We're back to red. Looks like it wants to come down here. ES is not showing his weakness. I was kind of hoping, but NQ is going to screw me. Back to my entries. Trying to run again. I really need to stop being so negative and positive and negative and just let it play out. There we go. See? Y'all are saying it was going to be a red trade? Oh, okay. That mean you're green on the day there, Glitch? Oh, awesome, RJ. A little bit more. Got within 3 ticks of my target there. Wow, got within 3 ticks and then pulled back to 7 points from my target. It's enjoying torturing me here. Oh, that's an amazing trade, RJ. That's an amazing trade. Wow, back to red. I don't frickin' believe it. Ah, yeah. I hate trading. Stopped out. No. Did not stop me out. I'm not sure how it didn't stop me out. I'm pretty sure it ticked me. But no, missed it by a tick. And bouncing. Wow, are you serious? Well, I've been at like every emotion in the book on this trade. Came down to within a tick of my stop, which would have been a $150 stop. And now it's just back up, almost back up to my entry. Now it's halfway to my stop again. It still looks like it wants to stop me out. Yeah, it's going to stop me out. I can't believe this. So I got within 3 ticks of my target. Didn't get the rest of the way. Now, halfway to my stop. Got within a tick of my stop. And stopped out. Screw this. Down 249 on the day. 3 ticks from a $150 winner. It turned into a $150 loser instead. This is why I don't take trades. There's no use taking trades because they're just not going to work out. And right back up. And again, I said I should keep the stop. I should have put the stop down at 185, which is the low. I would still be in the trade. Now it's coming down anyway, so I mean, having a bigger stop would have been bad, but whatever. I honestly thought I was gonna get one of these things passed before my stream anniversary. Dow pulling back, ES pulling back. NQ pulling back, new low a day. A week from tomorrow. So I should have went short there on that purple candle, that first purple candle. It's got 3 points on, so ES, I just got another almost 4 points. Here's my ES chart. Totally didn't enter on any of my strategies on this. But I took that long there on that candle, and now I'm in the middle of this candle. I took a short from 44.57.75 down to 44.54. So 3 3/4 points there, 2 there, so 5 3/4 points on ES. Down to 160 on NQ. But one of my I shouldn't say a bigger mistake, but one of my mistakes on this trade was not getting out after this purple candle, thinking that it might bounce back up. That should have told me to get out. Would have saved myself 5 points. It's not a huge save, but it would have been, about 5.5 point save. And getting in on this purple candle would have been a huge win, by the way. But I was stubborn and not getting out, so I couldn't get in by not getting out. But look at this. This purple candle, if I had taken it, wow, still would have been a huge stop. Really? 234. 75. Entry would have been 210. 75. So yeah, it would have been a 24-point stop, but look at that. 2 to 1 easy. Easy 2 to 1. So I should have quickly reversed, went for the short. That would have been more in my plan than the original trade I took. Down to 141. Hey, Jay. Could be better. Nice script. And you're not doing that on a account that has a consistency rule, are you, Crypt? If anybody trades natural gas, remember you have inventories coming up in a little over 15 minutes. The big news, Apex doesn't seem to be running anything more than a 50% sale from now till the end of the month. So that means MightyOx is the best game in town. Their intraday and end of day drawdown accounts are on sale. 25K just 42 bucks. 50K $48, $64 for the 100K. Again, end of day drawdown accounts for just 48 bucks. Grab them while they're hot. Use code MOT25, MOT50, or MOT100 with the link posted by Nightbot or in the video description below. Get funded. Invest in yourself. This was last week's natural gas inventory. You can see the spike down and the little spike up. It was, I mean, it only moved about 25 ticks. 30. The entire candle had a 31 tick range, so possibly. Wow, look at that bounce on crude. Full point back up. Oh, you're doing sim? Okay, I got you, Crypt. Meanwhile, NQ continues to die. Down to 125. Have a great day, JC. Agriculture's been ugly this morning. Copper, kind of ugly too. Gold, beautiful bounce there. Great call by John DeForest, knowing when it was going to bounce. just continues to fall. Back down to 34,555. Nvidia's crashed all the way down to 486. Bitcoin's having a bad day too. Again, I forget about the EMD. Let's look at the EMD chart because it's been interesting to me. Look at that. So it broke above the 20 line there. It pulled back. Wasn't a horrible pullback. Look at that big, beautiful blue candle there. And then this would have been, wow, this would have been a $1,200 trade on those two candles. These are 5-minute chart too. That would have been another great play on EMD today. And then this candle, big red candle outside of the bands would have been a great candle to go short on. I would just watch EMD tomorrow or whatever. Then, of course, the day I actually watch it, it won't do anything. May have found the bottom. 115. So let's look at the daily chart now. So completely giving up those Nvidia candles. ES is pretty much at the bottom of its Nvidia candle. Now it's NQ is into yesterday's morning. And look at that Dow chart. Wow. That was a 253 point hourly candle, and then we're pulled back by 161 on this hourly candle. Okay. I'm still a little devastated by that one that went to 3 ticks from my target and then stopped me out full stop. Well, perhaps I should have put a break-even stop in there when it got 10 points up. I don't know. Yep, not a bottom, still going down to 109. This is quite the fall today, and I need to figure out how to get in on these trend days that just don't. I mean, did give me one signal there, and that I should have got in on, but the fact that could be making huge money on these trend days, and I just don't. I like trading trends. It's just I don't know. I guess I'm not good at it. Maybe I'll never be good at it. I think that's a realization that starts to come to me. We did break 15,100. Oh, by the way, that was a purple candle too. So that's why when we're in this trends like this, I can't tell myself we can't keep going lower or higher if it's the other way, and it keeps going lower. I mean, look at that. Boom. Yeah, it'd help if I did the right direction. What was the top? 133. Entry. 120 half. Uh, so for just 2 to 1 there, where that boom already got there. With a 26-point winner. This one here, this purple candle, if I jumped in here, would have been a 2-point winner. Now, let's see. This big old purple candle, which required a huge stop, where has gone about 1 to 1. Would I only been able to do like 1 micro on that to accommodate that stop, but natural gas inventories, if you're in natural gas, coming up in just a couple of minutes. continuing this drop. So, I think I've learned some stuff here again today. I'm going to get this one day. I really am. I need to go back and check how many, just do some back testing on the purple candles in trend. There's no reason I shouldn't be up today. No reason at all. I got a little frustrated today, but I still feel I am close to turning around. RJ, the anniversary is a week from tomorrow, not tomorrow. September 1st for the anniversary. Wow! Down to 15,068. This thing is just not stopping. I honestly thought we might get a reversal around where that Nvidia candle started, but it's gone another 100 points since then. So look at this drop. I mean, technically the drop started well back here. Got it to 417, so it's dropped over 350 points since the high of the overnight. And since the open, it's dropped about 270-ish points. Have a great day, RJ. Little bounce here. Me here, they had another purple candle. I was a bit confused there for a second. Be interested to see if NQ re-breaks 15,000 today. ES is back down to 44.35. Bouncing here some. Wow. John, did you stay in that natural gas trade? That's quite the response from inventories for natural gas. That's a huge candle for natural gas right now. No longer too slow. Crude oil also popping up. Blue candle, not taking it. Yeah, that's a bigger move even for the inventories, John. Sorry about that. What's Russell doing? Wow, Russell, that's a interesting chart. Sitting at 15,069, 44.36 on ES, 34,512 on the Dow. Sideways a little bit right now. Okay, what crypt? So I'm just kind of watching right now. Might take a short here on the Dow. I like these purple candles. Hey, cool. Excellent job, Crypt. Wow, big move down. It might break 15,000. Still heading down here. Sitting at 15,040. Have a great day, John. Talk to you tomorrow. Dow's down to 34,432. NQ kind of hemming and hawing here. So we've definitely slowed down. I'm not sure we're going to see it bounce, but it definitely slowed down. $15,044 is where we're sitting. ES 44.27. Sorry, I got quiet there for a bit. About 10 minutes left to go. Let's see what everything else is doing. Wow, gold got all the way back up to its overnight highs. Ultra bond came down, trying to bounce back up. Crude oil, that blue candle didn't work well. Natural gas pulling back some. Copper rising up. And Q looks like it's trying to bounce here a bit. Or it was trying to bounce here a bit. I think he's still being very volatile. Right back down. It's trying, but it doesn't want to pop. Thank you, Antonio. Yeah, there it goes, up to 68. Looks like the bottom ended up being 15,030 so far. I mean, obviously it could just flush right back down. Yeah, so it was a pretty awesome day if you were short. Fortunately, I never really got short, but tomorrow is another day, they say. Remember, Jerome Powell will be speaking tomorrow. Could be another historic day, depending on what he has to say and how the market likes it. We're going to call it a day here. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow to wrap up the week. Hopefully we can turn blue sky back around, get back in the green, and start working its way back up. Thank everyone for joining me. Back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.